nagdesisyon ka na magpakasal kasi feeling mo handa ka na and matagal na kayo matagal na kayo mag-boyfriend or mag-girlfriend. Okay, you might want to think twice about it. Pwede mo ulit i-reconsider before taking the final plunge. Ito kasi yun eh. Meron tayong mga checklist na you might want to consider before finally going for it. Before you marry someone, bago ka magpakasal o magpasakal, may mga tanong ako sa'yo and I hope you'd be able to answer these. Nakita mo na ba siya in all the seasons of life? Nakita mo na ba siyang masaya? Nakita mo na ba o na-encounter mo na ba siyang galit? Nakita mo na ba siyang malungkot? Have you seen him or her on a stable status? Nakita mo na ba siyang broke or walang-wala? Na-experience mo na ba na masyado siyang nasaktan? Have you seen him doing very well? Yun ang mga tanong ko sa iyo at marami pang ibang tanong dyan. This you will have to consider. You have to see how they handle it all before making that full commitment. Para walang sisihan. Mahirap matali nang hindi ka sigurado sa sarili mo. Pero mas mahirap matali na hindi ka sigurado sa kanya. Tandaan mo, who you marry is more important than when you marry.